Interlink Electronics brings us the VP4350 Global Presenter Executive PowerPoint Presentation Remote with built-in laser pointer and mouse. Now, with some of the most positive reviews I've ever seen for any product on our website, it's sure to be an essential for anyone doing presentations and wants to do them just really well. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Now, before I go into what it can do, I want to talk about the design. Okay, I love products that just make a lot of sense. Practical products that look good whilst giving you unprecedented functionality. I love this product. I love the polished finish, the casing right over there, the icon studded design. It's just easy to use, and I'll show that to you in more detail in just a little bit. It almost looks like a prop out of a Star Trek movie if you look real close, isn't it? Okay, and this is very cool too. You've got right over there, you've got an integrated kind of mouse joystick with a click button as well, so that's built right in. And it's just designed to be comfortable to hold and to use, and it weighs only 5 ounces, so again, you almost won't even know that it's there, and it kind of becomes a part of your hand. Alrighty then. Now the layout is nice and simple. In fact, I do want to kind of just show you here behind me how easy it is to use this. I'm just going to bring up a little PowerPoint presentation over here. Well, kind of a presentation I just put together a couple of seconds ago. There we go. So here's what I love. It's designed to be usable, right? So I'm not, here we go, there we go. You've got this little button down there. You can kind of go back and forth between the various slides. I'm talking to my crowd. I'm not even seeing what's going on behind me, but I'm cheating because I've got a monitor right there. And I can go from the one slide to the next and just focus on what I'm saying, right? So you've got this nice and clean and simple layout with large buttons to let you go between the various parts of your presentation without being distracted. And I like this, okay? If you're lucky enough to drive one of those high-end luxury sedans, many of the manufacturers nowadays actually give you the option to assign a hotkey to whatever feature you want. So whether it's to act as a shortcut for your navigation or to open up your phone book or access your MP3s, whatever, okay? Well, this actual VP4350 is not far behind because you also have a hotkey right there that you can assign an option to, and that's up to you. So it's user customizable, as they say. Okay, and of course there's the laser pointer. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get it right in there. But of course this is a savior to any presenter. Kind of show what it is that you're referring to. And it's built right in here. And again, I just love the usability. Yes, it is still going. There we go. Now, it looks fantastic, but how does it perform? Well, the idea is basically to get you to engage your audience by having mobility or by carefully selecting your location, regardless of the restrictions that you might have in your location, whether it's a conference room or a classroom, okay? So here's the cool thing. The VP4350 has a real 100-foot working range, okay? So that's 30 meters for our friends up north. So you get to work your way through your presentations with ease and from a distance. So you get to step away from this clunky old desk or away from that podium, okay, and focus on your audience and what you're saying, okay? But I want you to check out our website because, as you know, there's a lot of reviews on there. This item is listed obviously on there. Just do a search for VP4350 and check out all the reviews and the feedback by people who already have one of these, okay? This is honestly some of the best feedback I've seen on any item I've seen to date. Okay, here's one that I really loved. I'm going to put this down for a second. Where are we? Okay, John writes, he says, this is the new industry standard. I travel and do PowerPoint professionally. I provide audio-visual services. This is rock solid and there is nothing better. It's plug and play. The presenters love it. So easy to use, even a doctor can understand it. He said it, not me. All right, there we go. Now the teardrop shape fits easily in your hand and it has a 100-foot range. More questions, feel free to, he actually puts down his email address there as well. That's kind of crazy. PS, Tiger is the cheapest price and the fastest shipping. PSS, I do not work for Tiger or Interlink. They are simply the best. There we go. You can't really argue with that, can you? So let's move on, all right? Now, setting up is simply a breeze. Literally a few moments ago, I plugged this into the desktop over here. You plug the USB receiver into whatever notebook or desktop you're using, and you're in business. Plug and play. Off you go. On the back, it runs on 2 AAA batteries, and that should last you around 6 months or so based on average use. And there you have it. Love the design, nice and compact, and just a design that works and is very comfortable to use. It's called the VP4350 by Interlink Electronics. Your range is up to 100 feet or 30 meters. Weight is just 5 ounces or 84 grams. You've got that built-in laser pointer, and of course you've got that mouse right over there as well. You get your power from 2 AAA batteries in the back for 6 months estimated use. Just a product that makes a lot of sense, that's well designed and wonderfully executed. If you have any questions whatsoever, please send me an email. My name is Arno, and I type slower than I talk, I promise. I'm aware of the fact that I speak fast. Arno@tiger.tv. Thank you for joining us. Hope you learned something, and don't be a stranger. Send me an email. Thank you. For more information on the VP4350 by Interlink Electronics, visit Tiger Direct's website, go to the search box, and type I106-4350. That's I106-4350, or give us a call at 1-800-800-8300. Interlink Electronics brings us the VP4350 Global Presenter Executive PowerPoint Presentation Remote with built-in laser pointer and mouse. Now, with some of the most positive reviews I've ever seen for any product on our website, it's sure to be an essential for anyone doing presentations and wants to do them just really well. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Now, before I go into what it can do, I want to talk about the design. Okay, I love products that just make a lot of sense. Practical products that look good